Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Das Academy of Science. By this video, you can able to understand how does a battery maintain a constant potential difference between its terminals. A battery consists of two metal plates called electrodes and a chemical called electrolyte. The electrolyte consists of positive ions and negative ions between the two metal plates. The electrolyte exerts a force called chemical force, that is Fc, on these positive and negative ions to move in opposite directions. Depending upon the nature of electrolyte, positive ions moves towards one plate and negative ions moves towards another plate and accumulate on their respective plates. As a result, this accumulation of positive charges on one plate, it becomes positively charged, called as anode. Similarly, negative ions move in a direction opposite to the motion of positive ions and accumulate on the other plate, results the other plate becomes negatively charged, called as cathode. This accumulation of different charges on respective plates continues till both plates are sufficiently charged. But ions in motion experience another force called electric force, that is Fe, whose direction is opposite to the direction of chemical force. Observe here, Fc and Fe are opposite in direction acting on ions. Magnitude of electric force depends on the amount of charge accumulated on the plates. When the accumulation is insufficient on the plates, the chemical force is stronger than electric force, then the motion of ions continue towards their respective plates. When the accumulation is sufficient on the plates, the chemical force is equal to the electric force, then the motion of the ions will stop. Thus, when accumulation is insufficient on plates, the ions are in motion since Fc is greater than Fe. And when the accumulation is sufficient, the ions will not move as Fc is equal to Fe. Thus, accumulation of different charges on respective plates continues till both plates are sufficiently charged. The amount of charge accumulated on the plates depends on nature of the chemical used in the battery. The new battery is at this stage where the ions in the electrolyte are under the influence of balanced forces. Here, anode is high potential point and cathode is low potential point. This is the reason for the constant potential difference between the terminals of a battery. Thank you. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel, Das Academy of Science.